Hello dear viewers, my name is Nick. In this video we will talk about Fish.audio. Fish AI is a special text-to-speech AI, and also there is the speech-to-text feature, by the way. So in this video I will show you how to create an account here and how to use this AI tool. Firstly, just open up the Fish.audio AI, and in the top right you can find the profile icon, click on it. And now go to login and sign up. Click on it. Now you have to click on go to create and type your email address right here. Then click on continue, and after that Fish Audio will send a message on your email address with the verification code. You need to copy it and paste it right here. Now create your password and finally click on register with email. You can save your password if you would like to do it. And finally we can use all the functionality of this website. So what advantages does this website have? First of all, pay your attention that you can use API, so you can automate all the generation process. By the way, there is the really big voice library. You can use their voice to generate speech from text. Also, there is the voice cloning feature. Okay, before the generating, let's talk about their premium plan. As you understand, there are two plans, free, which you can easily use, and the premium plan for $7 per month, or if you pay monthly, for $10 per month. What advantages will you get for premium plan? Unlimited generations in web, priority generation, 30 minutes per generation, auto-optimized reference audio, precise controls, latest AI models, commercial use of your voices, and pay-as-you-go API. And yeah, as you can see, there is no API in free plan, no API credit included. Also in free plan, you'll get 1 hour of ultra-realistic voice per month, standard generation speed, and 3 minutes per clip. And now let's try to generate a speech. Go to the text-to-speech tab, and now type your text in this field. The next step is voice model. We need to select the necessary one. Click on the select voice model, and here you can find recent used, explore, and your voices. And for example, select the Natasha voice. By the way, you can also listen to voice.
So guys, I was going through my...
and use it. And unfortunately, advanced settings not available for our plan, but we already can generate our speech. Click on the create button.
The boy leaning back on his elbows watched her with a soft smile.
And as I understand, you can also clone your voice absolutely for free. Just go to the voice cloning tab, and here you need to create your own voice. Select the necessary type, add image, name, description, tag, and input the file. But be careful because the maximum file size is 32 megabytes. And then also click on the create button. The disadvantages of this website are what you can only generate about 1 hour voice per month. And also you can only add text up to 500 characters at a time. It's pretty small value. But anyway, the website is really cool. It was a short tutorial or review. I hope my video was clear for you and helpful. Please subscribe to the How to PC channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.